Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your DMAT and Motilal Oswal trading account are live and KYC complete. Once done, link your bank and move sufficient funds. Log into the app or web portal, enable two-factor authentication for safety, then type the stock symbol into the search bar and open its quote page. You want immediate access to price, volumes, and recent charts. This initial setup gets you from zero to ready so you can place the first actionable order without delay. Once you see the quote, choose your order type. A market order fills instantly at current price, whereas a limit order executes only at your price. Pick limit when you need control. Next, set quantity and product. Use CNC delivery to buy shares to hold or intraday if you plan to square off. Then select order validity and review brokerage, levies, and margin impact so you understand cost and buying power. Double-check everything before you hit place order to avoid surprises. After placing the order, confirm the on-screen acknowledgement and note the trade ID, then monitor execution in the Orders or Tradebook tab until it shows filled. Once executed, check your holdings to ensure shares appear under CNC and set alerts or a stop-loss to manage risk. Use the app's watch list for real-time updates. If the order doesn't execute, make sure sufficient funds exist and your limit price is reachable. If issues persist, contact Motilal Oswal support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.